Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can. Can I kick it? Yes, you can.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
Can I kick it? Yes, you can.
Well, I'm gone.
Go on then.
What's the scenario, tribe? It's Germ, it's Friday, and it's darn near the end of the month, which means it can only be time for Unpacking Germ! Last month on Unpacking, the idea was to order something from my website, germ.tattoo, and have it sent here to my home where I would unbox and review it on camera for you, the viewer. Due to my being a newbie, I made a very poor choice in production and editing staff. They led the episode to get a little silly. I had to sack them, and they had to be replaced by a new producer and editor who also led the episode to get silly. They, in turn, wound up being sacked, and in total, 5 editors and 3 producers all wound up being sacked because they kept making the episode silly. Ultimately, everyone in the department, myself included, were sacked, and the only way anything happened was by just throwing the footage at a group of dead monkeys and seeing what they could do to arrange it. Aw, too soon? Yeah, you're right. It'll always be too soon. Anyway, what we're going to do this week is make the whole thing informational and not at all silly. So here I'm going to show you step by step from the website through the opening everything about Germy's goodie bag from germ.tattoo, which I'm going to order from my website and then send and send from myself to myself. Ha ha!
And now I'm the voiceover artist for this part with the computer. So as you can see, we are on the computer. We are looking at the store. This is the desktop version. If you're on your phone, it may look a little thinner or something like that. We're going to scroll down. You can scroll through and see products. And here's some tattoos that I've done. And then we scroll back up to the store where we click on the product called Germy's Goodie Bag. This can be reached from the front or whatever. You get the idea. Now he's going to look at the thing, and now he's going to click put in cart. Look at him go. He put it in his cart. Oh, my gosh. Now he's going to click on the one that says go to cart or check out or whatever. He's clicking on that button. Now he's checking out. Oh my God, how talented and amazing.
This seemed like a good time to pause with the screen capture because I already learned my lesson when I tried to make that how to buy Bitcoin using my debit card step-by-step video, which also taught me a valuable lesson about putting my address on a YouTube video. But this is a time where I want to pause anyway to talk about this. So Germy's Goodie Bag is a rarer item on the site. Most of the stuff is drop ship, print on demand. It's getting sent to you by them. Germy's is one of the few that I'm actually doing the work to make here in-house, and I'm the one sending out to print. I'm actually packing and stuffing these things and putting them out to the post office. That's why I'm paying for shipping here versus some other items. Now, you do notice in these screen captures, though, that there is an additional charge, and that's sales tax because of the state that I'm in. And it might be different, higher, lower, not at all. I'm not sure for the state you're in. And I could go on and on right now about conspiracy theories and political rants about taxes, but that's not about this. This is about the unboxing.
Well, here we are, opening up the new package. Just got from Germ.tattoo. This is called Germy's Goodie Bag. This is item number GD04, I do believe. This comes in a manila envelope. Now, we're going to go ahead and cut this sucker open with a here folding knife by Gerber. This was the MK426 folding knife, I do believe.
Yeah, that's a good knife there.
Oh, yeah, very good knife. Very good knife. Very reliable. I do believe in the long run. Now we're gonna crack this thing open. We're going.
That's a good knife.
Yeah, I believe that one did. In fact, it didn't have the Tonto blade. That had the classic curved blade. I do believe. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So now we're opening the product here, where there's all kinds of things. Now there's 5.
I wouldn't mind seeing a little more of that
buttons you can put on a sweatshirt or on a jean jacket or on your purse.
Put a pin on a knife.
These things are very versatile, multi-useful. You can see there's 3 stickers here. Now you forgot to mention that one of the stickers is holographic, but I'm not sure which one. Though. These are the 2 5x7 prints. They're 5x7. There's 2 of them. This is Dia de los Recuerdos, Los Muertos. This is koi fish. It's kind of redundant to call it koi fish. It's a given that a koi is only
I wonder that folding knife could cut that fish right open.
Yeah, I reckon that folding knife probably could cut a proper part open if you did apply it to such an end. Such an end. So now we're seeing the comic book. There's I believe altogether it's 28 pages. It's full colored, handmade, all colored with alcohol markers.
I bet that knife could cut right through that book. That fold knife cut right through that book.
Yes, I do believe that fold knife probably could have easily cut it. Here's some little people saying how great the comic book is.
They're talking about the fold knife.
I think maybe that last one mentions the knife. Right, I don't know if anywhere in the comic book even mentions the knife. Maybe that's a fault of the book itself. It should mention the knife more, perhaps.
And there you have it. We managed to make it through an unpacking video with little to no silliness. I would have to say significantly less silliness than before. No silliness. Whatsoever.
I gotta get a grip of myself here.